Alrighty, we are on the Ripley's mountain coaster, Gatlinburg today. I think this one used to be called Rowdy Bears. I'm not entirely certain though. Because on the map it kind of said Rowdy Bear and Ripley's. So I believe this might have been originally a Ripley's. Originally a Rowdy Bears mountain coaster. They also have a glider thing, which I would be counting as a credit if it was open today, but it is not. So that is a little unfortunate though. I believe we have a little more climbing to go. It says something about a green shack will be the time that I need to start pushing forward. Woo! Yeah, this must be the last one. It's warning me to not stop on the track at any time. Keep my hands and feet inside at all times. Sorry, you see my pinky for a second. Went ahead and adjusted the camera. Not sure when this one opened, but I will also be doing a backwards POV. So that video is not on this one, and you can go find that. If it is in this one, then it's in this one. I don't know if I'll probably be editing these way after. So we will push forward now and start our ride. Woo! Yeah, alright. Smile! Whoa! Going way fast. Alright. Woo! Man, this camera's a little shaky on this one. Wow, we're going fast. Woo! Alright. Woo! Oh! Shoot! Whoa, I was not expecting that. Alright. Wow, y'all got an awful camera angle there for a second. Yeah, y'all got a nasty angle going around that one. That was going way fast. I did not expect that. Woo! Man, now for a slow climb. That ain't helping much. Back. Imagine staying in that room right there, just overlooking the river and seeing people fly down this hill all day long. Man, that would be nuts. Going back up to the top here, and then gonna go for another ride. Oh. A different lift system to go up this one. That's strange. But that is the top, and that is the end of Ripley's. That was weird. And I will see y'all in the next one. Alrighty. Going back around a second time on the Ripley's one. This one's super fast, so you're going to get a heck of an angle on this way. Lift hill takes a little bit because there is 3 sections of the lift. So this is the second mountain coaster of them today, and I think I'm gonna do 2 more today. Was gonna do another one, Anarchista, but Anarchista's pretty busy, so might get to that one. Might do Pigeon Racing Coaster if it's open. I know the grand opening's on Friday, but I thought I seen someone riding it earlier. Y'all could have very well seen that video by now, so I'll probably end up routing it sometime this week. That's the only time the trims hit, right there, this entire ride. And then here's the big climb. I had to slow down for the one turn. You fly pretty good going down this thing. It's actually kind of nuts. Nice scenery. I don't know how much the back you can see from the GoPro. We are almost at the top now. And our very quick, because you're going pretty fast, very quick ride to the bottom begins right about now. So we will push forward all the way and rock and roll down this hill. As you can tell, we're already picking up a good bit of speed. Woo! Smile! Woo! I'm not ready for that camera. Woo! I'm shaking a little bit. I don't have the camera too tight on my wrist so I don't get. Hey! Woo! This one ain't too bad, but the next spiral is pretty nuts. Oh, this one's pretty rough. Woo! I think I'll slow down a little bit. Actually, it kind of slows for you. Oh man, it slows up to like a crawl there before we hit this conveyor belt. Man. Woo! Pretty fast one. You go flying off that hill. I will say, I think Lost Mine is still my favorite mountain coaster I've done yet. Next one we're doing actually is Moonshine. But this will probably be its own video, so you'll have to go find that one. See my dad over there. I'll turn the camera around for you. Thrill Stop Father Thrill Stop, you could say, is over there. My dad, and then you got this really weird conveyor up here and the glider attraction, like I said earlier, that you cannot really see, but yeah. Then we hit this really weird, like the car kind of comes up a little bit and it kind of like brings itself back down right here. It's super strange. Is it going to do it this time? No, not really. Well, I'll go ahead and start off here. That's it for this one. I will see you all in the next one, maybe a mountain coaster, who knows. And yeah, we'll stop out.